What?
About $1 billion worth of shares, right?
Is that why it pumped up?
I think I read that right.
That would make sense. I mean, that's an aggressive pump. I knew it was something with news.
Yeah, 1 billion worth of shares just to show us, loyalty. Jdun, we got Greg to the Zoom.
Yeah. You know what's crazy is he's worth over 100 million, so it's like it ain't even like that, you know. This $1 billion. Like I'll drop a B. I'll show you I'm in this game.
It's crazy, right? Just drop a
Just
billion on shares.
just a casual bill, something light. Crazy. Yeah, love him or hate him, Elon has won. I mean, that's just you've just won at that point. There's no other discussion.
Good morning, people.
What's up, Greg? Good morning, sir.
How's it going?
How goes it, dog?
How was your weekend?
It was great. Watched football. Hung out. How was yours?
That's very good. Especially yesterday. We make money during the night. So we have a good start.
Good stuff. That's the best, making your money before market open.
Yes. We have a good couch to start.
Can't ask for much more.
That's right.
Got the coffee in hand. We're feeling good.
I'm out there. We're gonna make some. We'll be right
Go
back.
get your Folgers.
Be right back.
Go get yourself some Folgers. Nothing to do. Larry Ellison is the richest person in the world by now. Jumped 100 billion in one day. That's crazy. That's crazy. Trying to look for a bounce spot on this Tesla. I mean, maybe like I don't even know. 420 was our last major daily point.
I like that 420.5 for bounce on Tesla.
Yeah, I was going to say 417 to 420. Could be good.
I'm gonna watch that actually. 420.5 area is where the point of control is right now. Volume base.
It's been a while since you and I both took a trade on Tesla at the same time, bro. It reminds me of 2022.
Yeah, man. You used to just trade shares.
That was 2021.
Was it?
Yeah, maybe early 2022 on light speed.
Yeah, then you had issues with light speed and switch.
Yep. Oh yeah, they just cooked me too many times. Cooked me too many times. What's going on, everybody? Welcome, welcome, welcome. YouTube and TikTok. I appreciate y'all being here. Good morning, good morning. Let's go. Good morning.
That pump, probably a short trade from 174 to 139. Go up. Play some games, then from 174 to 139. What's one looking?
It's you. Let's go, baby. This is your reminder. This is your Monday morning reminder that we are choosing discipline over dopamine today. No in between. No in between.
Not gonna look there. Don't do it. Go, go. Go up. Stay up.
Yeah, what are you watching today, Mr. Greg?
I would like to see a small pump, then hard break of 174, go down to 139. Now we have several levels between. I'm expecting break of all this level and reach 139.
Okay. I like it.
I would like to see. We have several levels in the middle, 159, 144.
I like it.
So I would like to play this range.
Also, pretty cool stuff, guys. If you've been wanting to trade with Tradeify, they just added Project X. So if you're looking to get a funded account or a straight to funded account, skip the eval, go straight to funded, you can now use Project X with Tradeify, which I think is pretty cool. You can always use code Jdun for the best possible discounts. Always and forever can use code Jdun. I'll always do my best to help you guys pass your challenges, get funded, and get paid out. Hey, lots of positive comments in the YouTube. I just opened the YouTube chat, guys. Sorry about that. Daniel said, I love your live trading. My trading has drastically gotten better watching you guys. I got that move on this past Friday. However, the best part of all of this is just seeing how you guys think. That's amazing, Daniel. Thank you, bro. Hey, winners focus on winning. Losers focus on winning. Or losers focus on winners. Winners focus on winning, you know? Yes, sir. Good morning, Kyle. Good morning, Thomas. Let's go. It's like a course every day. Yes. Also, for you guys, as a reminder, make sure early on before we start trading, you guys click down in the YouTube description. I put the link to the 3-day masterclass. On October 6th, I'm hosting a 3-day masterclass for all of you guys. It's 100% free. You'll get the link each day. It's called Discipline Over Dopamine. 3 days to consistent trading. So make sure if you guys haven't already, you guys save your seat right now. Get RSVP'd. X the Detailer's already signed up. Hopefully a lot of y'all are already signed up. Let's go. Let's get already got my ticket. Let's go. Perfect. Let's go. We got the pull up. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it, everybody. Where is Mr. Gene? It is market open, and once again, Mr. Gene is nowhere to be found. He's going to say, bro, I'm not trading today. It's FOMC week. Oh, he's almost here. Yep. If you have any questions, you can also DM me on IG at Jdun Trades. Yep. Let's get it. We're about to open. Dude, those Tesla options are going to go nuts from the weekend. And market's open. Let's go. Aggressive pump. Aggressive pump. Oh my gosh. That is crazy. I mean, not that crazy. No, it's crazy as Tesla, but Tesla's getting that bounce area, 420. I'm kind of bummed to happen in the first 1 minute. I was watching it. I just didn't take it.
I was trying my best to take that trade on my phone. I just couldn't get anything.
That's wild. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Team Bull. Let's go. What's up, Mr. Gene? What's up, dog? What's up, Sleeping Beauty? Sleeping Beauty's here, guys. Oh, you weren't in a rush today. I thought your excuse was going to be it's FOMC week.
That's another thing.
That's another thing. Yep. I knew it. I know. I was literally watching it. It just was in the first minute. I don't even got an excuse. I watched it happen on the 1 minute chart, on the 5 minute chart. It's just in the first minute. Actually, I didn't want to buy and just get decimated on some move down with, no reason besides being the first minute. What do you mean what website I'm on? What broker am I trading with? Edge Clear. And I have my TOS as well. It depends. Don't do it. This is your reminder, guys, to choose discipline over dopamine today. Let's stay patient, trade smart, and trade safe. When you join me live trading every day, I'm going to emphasize several things. I'm going to emphasize systemization. I'm going to emphasize simplicity. And I'm going to emphasize that you guys choose discipline over dopamine and stay patient in your trading. You guys got to stay patient. You stay patient, you trade with Jdun, you're going to make some money eventually. And that's a fact. Me watching like I know anything about trades. Well, you're going to learn here. You're going to learn today. So, if you're ready to make some money, then you're in the right spot. Warning though, I may bully you into getting your life together, making more money, getting in shape, and living more focused. It might happen. Sorry in advance. Don't. Don't. I'm on live every single day. Yep. Every day I'm trading live for y'all. Trying to find y'all winners. I got my book map pulled up. What'd you say, bro? That Tesla literally just went bananas. Where's pre-market high at? I can look at it. It's 180.
I like the longs here.
Actually, it's 182. I had to mark that out. That trade was really nice on Friday, bro. It was dope. It took a bit, but that long ended up paying. That long ended up paying. Just took us a little bit to let it pay. I had a bunch of people trading live with me at the Team Bull office too. made like people making hundreds to over almost 500 for a few of them. 2 of them. Which is pretty dope. Having people trade live with you from Team Bowl and make money in person. That was sick. We're gonna fill all the seats. Well, maybe not this next week, but the week after. Or 2 weeks after. And Elon bought $1 billion worth of Tesla. That is crazy, huh? The TradingView hasn't rolled their contracts yet. TOS did. EdgeClear did. TradingView has not rolled the contracts. Trend longs. Grizzlies and longs, everybody. Grizzlies and longs. I'm not in. Grizzly is in longs. Grizzly and the longs. You break that 212, you should see like 220 plus pretty quickly. What was your entry? Or do you get filled at?
My entry was 24 199.5.
Hopefully you get a nice move up.
Always have to trim a holiday. You never know how hard it's going to reject and sell off. There's always a price target. Higher or lower than. I don't see why we can't get 24 230 for the next trim.
Yo, if you're in the YouTube, I just pinned the 3-day free masterclass link. On October 6th, I'm hosting a 3-day free masterclass breaking down everything you need to know to systemize your trading, trade simply, trade with confidence, and make more money on a long-term basis. So make sure you guys click that link, take 20 seconds, and get registered. And I'll see you guys on October 6th. You don't want to miss this. Nice job, Grizzly. Nice job, Grizzly. Way to start out the week.
Push up.
You trimmed, right?
Yeah,
Thought I heard you. Grizzly trimmed his longs, everybody. For everyone listening in, Grizzly trimmed his longs. Team Bull, baby. Let's go. Nice job, my bro. Nice job, my bro. That was dope. In the first 15 minutes, too. The good old Team Bull 10-minute workday.
it used to be my strongest point. This year's been a little different in the market.
Yup. That was awesome. Oh, that was dope. Woo! Woo. All right, come on. We got FOMC this week, too. We got arguably the biggest FOMC of the year this week, too. It's going to set the tone for the rest of the year's rate cuts. Can someone genuinely learn how to do this with no prior knowledge? Everyone starts with no knowledge. What type of computer? All you need is a laptop. It's not easy. I'm just letting you know that right now. It's not easy, but you killed that, bro. I didn't take it, but I'm rooting you on. I'm cheering for your position. I said, let's go, Grizzly. Let's go, Grizzly. Oh, yeah, you already know my master classes are full of value. As a reminder, too, guys, Tradeify, if you're trading on funded accounts, just added Project X. You guys can use code Jdun for 35% off all Tradeify accounts, 80% off all Apex accounts, and 40% off or 50% off all FFF accounts. Use code Jdun for the best possible discount. I will always do my best to help you guys pass your challenges, get paid out, and take those funds and put them in your own live account. So that's where I want you at long term. Guys, the contracts haven't rolled over on TradingView yet. They rolled over on TOS for contract rollover. That's why it looks different. The movement's the same. Grizzly, what do you see in this long that you liked? What made you want to pull the trigger?
Strength, man. That 24,200. We pull back to it. We developed our highest volume. They're point of control. And I knew that that area would be between the 24,200 to the pre-market high at 24,183 for continuation for 3
Apex is 90% off using code JDUN. Or 80% off, 80% off. Gene, want to come say hi to everybody? Gene wants to say hi to you guys. AK, I gotta go take a piss. You be nice to Gene.
Hello, everybody. Good morning. What's up, Greg? Taco time. You're something else, man. What's up, guys? Honestly, guys, I don't think I'm gonna trade today. I don't see nothing. We're at all-time highs. I just don't know what to do.
still valid. The pre-market high retest could still be valid, yes.
Go short on a long pump. No mames.
It will be a nice swing trade regardless at this point. I only have one runner left.
Good morning, Tyler.
Stop at, I'm gonna leave it where it's at 2,000.
I'm about to go make me some coffee, guys. I need coffee.
If I have your shorts, then you get my way.
Go ahead. You're a brave man, Jordan. Here you go.
Setups.
I'd rather have steak, bro. Yeah, I'm an Astros fan. My family's from Texas. And the Rockies suck. I'm also a Yankees fan. F the Dodgers.
That trade is over. Put me, trade
What up, what up, what up, what up?
Make sure your contracts are rolled.
They aren't on TradingView.
You need to roll them.
Where?
If you could just search it up.
No, TradingView isn't rolled yet. Yeah, Thinkorswim did. I know. I'm looking at it. TradingView hasn't rolled them. All right, guys. Our opening range. All right. Like you went and grabbed your stop, huh? It said you are going to be our liquidity today. That's what you're going to be, is our liquidity, Mr. Grizzly. Used to as liquidity, huh, Mr. Grizzly?
Yeah, I still make over 500. I'll take it.
Steak's on you, my boy.
We're still working on the steak, man.
You know, you better be buying me steak when Nebraska beats Michigan this coming week.
I'm gonna watch that game, man. I'm looking forward to it.
Telling you, we're coming, bro. Nebraska's coming. College football playoff time. They're the sleeper. Top 10 here real soon. I don't want to hear anybody barking at me and anything different. Nebraska college football playoff. It's coming. I don't make the rules. I don't make the rules. No, Michigan don't stand a chance, bro. Nope.
My fantasy team plays horrible this weekend.
Dude, I don't even want to, bro. My fantasy team is horrible, bro. Except for my boy Amon-Ra St. Brown went crazy. My boy St. Brown went crazy. All my other players suck, but I get.
Equally did horrible.
What's up, Mr. Gene?
What up? Making me some coffee.
Hmm?
I'm making me some fancy coffee.
On the new Nespresso?
Yep.
You like it? Yeah, I got this Nespresso from one of my boys for my birthday. Yeah, back in May, and we just got it set up. Tesla's taking a fall now. Dude, the Broncos game made me so upset yesterday. I couldn't believe it, bro. It's like, really? A penalty on the freaking center? A leverage call? Are you kidding me? Unreal. That was insane. The Matrix was attacking my Broncos. The Matrix was getting at my Broncos. It's messed up. It's messed up. Check your promotions or spam, or maybe register again if you put the wrong email in. Just double check you put the right email in, and then if you don't get anything, then you still should be good. You should still be all right. Got the close above the orb. All right. Got the close above the orb, but the volume sucks. On NQ at least. We got that close above. What's the low here? 04. I'm being very cautious as it's a Monday. We got the close on the orb, as you can see on screen share above that 15-minute high, but I don't love how the volume looked. So yeah, I don't think there's a 25-second delay, bro. I think that's on your end.
NQ's going without us, and I was gonna try to get a reach.
Man. Yeah, that orb worked. It just had lower volume. Yeah, 4 to 6 second delay. That's the best it gets on YouTube. I don't get much better. Unfortunately, it doesn't get much better. Wow, that freaking orb is printing. Wow. That closed here. We got the retest. I just wanted to see higher volume. We had lowering volume on a bigger candle, so. What a face ripper. At all-time highs on SPY, on QQQ. This market's strong. Got to give it to it.
Well, TSLL's at 20 or 19 rather. Then it sells some secured puts on it, but it's just not where I would want to buy.
TSLL?
Yeah, talking with Tesla.
Oh shit, Gene, you parked on the other side of the street today. That's new. How fast can I lose $100 if I'm starting out? I've never had someone ask that. Why would you want to lose? I mean, you could lose it in 2 seconds, hypothetically.
You'd be guessing.
Hypothetically speaking, you could lose it very quickly. As a reminder, guys, Apex is 80% off. You can use code Jdun for the best possible discount. I'm going to do my best this week to help you get funded and get on your path to getting paid out. That's my mission with these lives. Now, I read the chat, just not every second. I'm also trading, trying to find setups. And that would have been a nice one-to-one scalp. Yeah, granted, this trade would have only been 1-to-1 on that move up. Wait. Well, still would have been nice. No trades for me yet, guys. Just waiting. We're breaking orb to the upside at all-time highs, so automatically going to be a little more patient. That candle's a nice push, too. It's low here. 27. As a reminder, TikTok, you can also get full screen share on YouTube. We're growing on YouTube every single day. If you go to your YouTube and type in Jdun Trades, JDUN Trades, you get full screen share there. This algorithm is great for showing new people. And then if you guys want the full screen share, you guys can tap into the YouTube as well. I know a lot of people from YouTube came from TikTok. We're going to keep growing it, baby. We're getting closer to almost 1,000 people at a time every single day. This ES orb is playing out. Good. Let him talk. We're winning. Let's see. Yo, we staying focused, baby. Got to retest back down in this candle. Still nothing up here for me. We did get the candle closure above that 15-minute high. We had an increasing volume. I like that. I just don't like buying breakouts into all-time highs. Just not my favorite type of setup to take. So on days like today where we potentially just slow grind up on lower volume, that's not something that I'm very interested in trading. Not something I'm super interested in trading. You know, not even so much tricky. You just got to be more patient at all-time highs. Because the market's traditionally going to go up over time, right? You don't let the whole trade go by. What do you mean? Just because the markets go up or down doesn't mean you missed it. You could say anything's a setup. You could say, I could go back to pre-market. You could say, oh, well, this was a setup here because we broke this structure, right? You could say this is a setup. This was. You know, anything's a setup in trading. It's just a matter of, is it an A+1 that fits your system that you have high confidence in and you can manage risk on in real time? That's how I look at it. For me, when it's trending up at all-time highs, I'm going to be much more patient. For some people, maybe they like buying breakouts to the upside, and that's what they do. Well, that's great. That's just not me. They have been lately. Nope, he's still out at his hometown. Still trending on up. That's crazy. I appreciate you, bro. Hey, Jdun, just looking like no trades for me. I just want to say God bless you and everyone in chat. Appreciate you, brother. Fight the dopamine. Fight the impulsivity. Don't succumb to the dopamine.
First green candle, or red candle rather. Well, long-term invest in here, honestly. But if you're not, one of them days that you wish you had started.
Yep. DCA. DCA. long-term sitting pretty. Long-term sitting real pretty. Sitting real pretty. She's losing some steam. Let's see. She's losing some steam. We'll see if it picks up. Nine months weed free. That's awesome, bro. That's amazing. That's amazing. That's amazing. 9 months weed free is amazing, bro.
I think that may be my biggest holding long term. I don't think. I know it is. ES is retesting the 15-minute wick.
Yes, is retesting. Yep.
I don't think I'd take any more trades on my funded. I'll shut that out for the day. With my personal, we take another. I think what looks really good. ES is that pre-market area around 6.6.
Is Diet Coke allowed? No. Not from a calories perspective, obviously, but from all the ingredients. Sorry, bro. No mames. I've never seen you enter a trade on TikTok. Well, then you probably haven't been here for very long. You probably weren't here Friday. We caught a banger. Is it your first day? If so, then you're right. I haven't entered a trade. Like anything, Gene? See anything you like?
No, nothing.
Kind of low-key liking shorts. I want to see if we can get some confirmation. I like how that candle looks for a reversal. Yeah, bro. Gene and I live together. We're roomies. We're roomies, huh, Gene? Yeah, we're roomies. We're roomies, bro. We have bunk beds, actually. Gene, Gene's little spoon.
No, I'm not.
They said, "Who's little spoon?" Said Gene. Y'all are funny. We have matching pajamas. All right, guys, as a reminder, choose discipline over dopamine. We are looking for trading setups on the screen. Our trading streams here are a little more low key. I do my absolute best to help you guys stay patient, trade smart, and trade safe, and lock in your payouts. My cousin and I joined Team Bull last week from profits on these lives. Let's go. That's awesome. Told y'all, I do my best to help y'all learn, level up, and win. And Team Bull is still the best place to be every single day. Make sure you guys tap in. Hit that follow button if you're on TikTok. Hit that subscribe if you're on YouTube. Also, make sure you guys get registered for the 3-day trading masterclass. I pinned the comment on the YouTube. No, I'm not trying it. I don't like. We closed back below the orb, and honestly, I'm just being really careful with my setups today. It's a Monday, so it's traditionally my worst day. It's FOMC week, so risk off going into FOMC. What's your depends what your rate is, honestly. Yeah. Really depends on what your rate is. Tesla's getting its footing again. What do you recommend if you were a 30-year-old with no experience and starting out? Get a solid foundation. I mean, honestly, bro, joining these live streams is the best thing you're going to do. I recommend being on YouTube if you're really trying to learn and get a full screen, get a full idea of what's going on. But when you come and join live and look at price every day, you're basically getting a free course every single day. The best thing you can do is just start and stay consistent.
Watching.
See, we're kind of flagging. Let's see if we can get more of a confirmation either way. If I don't know, I was starting to like the shorts. We'll see. You were in shorts, huh? Yeah.
Good day, sir.
Good day, Mr. Gene. Lock yourself out.
I already did.
Bro's way ahead.
There's 400 on each account.
Got a boy. Mr. Gene up 400 per account. That's what I'm talking about. That's dope. Yeah, Gene's gatekeeping the trades.
This is the area here. We're approaching on the ES. We're gonna bounce. It's gonna be this area down to 6611.
Realized P&L for the day is $0.00. Everybody, $0.00. $0. Mondays are my least profitable day though. So if I'm not going to take a trade, it's typically on a Monday. Typically speaking. Call me crazy. I'm still liking the shorts. We'll see if we get a similar. So if we go back, if you're on the YouTube, we go look at what we saw last week, right? We pretty much held this 15-minute high the rest of the day. Go back even further. Same thing on the previous Thursday, right? We broke here and we held this high the whole day. So we'll see if we get that again. We'll see if it does that same thing to us again. We do in person. Again, if you'd like to be a part of our in-person program, you have to be inside Team Bull. If you'd like to join Team Bull, you can DM me on IG at Jdun Trades. JDUN Trades. If you'd like in-person training or the opportunity to trade live with me in person like you saw on Friday, DM me on IG at JDUN Trades. Yep. Whew. We seem to turn it on away. I don't day trade crypto. I just invest in crypto. I don't trade any crypto though. How long do I look at charts every day? For like 2 hours. I trade for about 2 hours every day. I trade live here every single day. All you have to do is hit that follow button if you're on TikTok. And you found the greatest hidden gem this app has ever offered. The best live trading stream known to existence. If I'm risk off going into FOMC. As a reminder, if you want to trade live with me in person or have the opportunity to learn in person, you can DM me on IG for access to Team Bull. That's my trading community. I actually saw you in person before I ever saw your TikTok. That's crazy. Should have said what's up. Should have said what's good. Let's see if we end up flagging. I still personally I'm starting to like the shorts. Jdun, been watching your lives. Helps me with my patience. Hey, let's go. I found I've learned more watching trades live than YouTube videos, for sure, because you get real-time experience. So here's my thing with where we're at right now, is that we have this aggressive move up. Looks like we're flagging a bit on NQ. Though these two candles look decent for a reversal, I'm just staying patient and waiting. I live in Denver, and I used to see your green Lambo on the freeway all the time. That's awesome. It's calling me. Hello? Who's this? Yeah, can I call back? I'm just kind of in the middle of some work stuff right now. Thank you. All right, bye. Well,
Personally, I'm always just hanging out.
what?
If you're a better person I am, I'm always.
I would. Oh, it was for a new place I was trying to check out, so it wasn't. I put in a form on their website. They were just calling me back. Otherwise, if it would have been some dumb stuff, then I likely would have been like, all right, gotta go. Hang up. How dare they call me during trading? Yeah, the new contracts are NQZ5. I just finished 1.5 workout while listening to you, bro. Let's go, HVAC. Man, I don't miss doing HVAC. So I used to work sheet metal, bro. Commercial sheet metal. That shit sucked ass. That was horrible, bro. I mean, honestly, if you can do HVAC, you're going to guarantee yourself 6 figures plus a year for life, and you're going to be safe from AI taking your job for a long time. But man, I did not like working commercial, bro. I'm just going to be very honest with you. Not even a little. Damn, those shorts would have paid, bro. Ant trades. Come on, bro. Come on, Ant. You're better than that. I'm sorry that happened. Man, as soon as we saw this candle appear, I liked the shorts. I just didn't pull the trigger. I liked them. I just didn't love them. This man, Brandon, wants to call me during trading hours. That is wild. Nope, not answering, bud. Phone on silent. Might as well call you a telemarketer. Hi, Jdun. Just joined the live. Welcome to the live. Make sure you hit that follow button. What are you looking for right now in order to enter a trade? Well, I like shorts. I didn't take anything. Mondays, I'm very hesitant. I also just don't love trading all-time highs. It's not, I don't hate it. I just don't love it. What's up, Mr. Gene? You got GD sweatshirt on? That's hilarious. That's awesome. Yeah, Brandon's the telemarketer.
Why?
Keeps trying to call me.
Come on, last night too. Mom's truck blew up on him.
It was smoking?
Yeah, and he was freaking out over nothing. He was freaking overheating.
Damn. No, not damn about the truck. Damn about the the market falling. We'll see if it ends up having the same price action as we've seen the past few days, where it really respects that 15-minute high. Oh, Greg, you're still here. What are you watching, Greg? I haven't heard much from you this morning. That reversal candle actually looks decent here. It was red, but half the wick is up, and it's also higher volume. I have nothing, Greg. 2025. Y'all are funny, bro. Discipline over dopamine. That's right. Nick, Grizzly called a winning trade in the live earlier. Nothing for me yet. Well, this is looking like a decent long setup. If we close this candle strong, I wish we'd just stop for a little here, have higher volume. We can look for a move back down to like 485, or if you're on old contracts, 243, and for continuation to the upside. What? Damn. Damn, Grizzly, don't look at ES, bro. Don't look at ES. Don't look at it, bro. Whatever you do, don't look at it. What an insane candle. Let's see. The bottom of this is 227. If we get a close right here, like right here, and we pull back down, I'll try longs. What's the high day at? 65. What? Yeah, like 242 on the old contracts, or 485 on the new contracts on Z5. Who's trading? Who's trading? Try to piece of longs, guys. Try a small piece of longs down here with stops at 27. So 20 points of risk. I tried the longs. Below that previous 5-minute low, 228 on the new on the old cons, or below 474 on the new ones. I tried those longs. This is the area, guys. On the old contracts, around 245 to 250. Hard stops below the previous 5-minute candle low. Don't. Got to break 500 on these new cons, the Z5s. Got me not knowing how to act. To my part of town. Don't. Don't. Come on, push us to high day. Come on. That pullback is the only long area I like. It's the only area I like. If we break below that previous 5-minute low, then there's no setups for me. I got filled on the new contracts at 489 on the Z5s. So if that was on the old contracts, it would have been around like 245 or something. So just under 20 points of risk. My hard stops are set. So if we go below 72, 72 exactly, then I'll get stopped out. I don't like how that 5-minute candle right here looks with that volume. That does not look good at all. That don't look good. I don't like this 5-minute candle, but I'm going to follow my original stop plan. It's back around-ish, well, for me, 4 points below break even on the new contracts. I don't love how we wicked up, made a lower high, and we had increasing selling volume. That does not look great. I'm going to keep my original stop because it's only 17 points, but it doesn't look great. You know, it's just fitting at this point for me to be red on a Monday anyway, so maybe I will get stopped out. I was up. What was it? 9, almost 10 points. Why would I stop now and not follow my plan? That would, because then if we ended up going up, I'd be kicking myself. I'd rather get stopped my plan stop on the risk I've already accepted than stop early and, you know, potentially miss a move, potentially save a little money, but go against my plan. It's back at break even, everybody, if you don't like it. This 5-minute candle doesn't look great. I'm going to follow my plan, though. My hard stops are set, so either way, I'm chilling. I either get stopped out at 72 or we get high a day and have a green Monday. I'm just sticking to the plan. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. Oh, back above break even.
That's what I'm saying. I don't know. Things up. Weird happening. I have no explanation.
This 5-minute chart is not looking amazing. The price is right. This 5 minutes not looking good at all. I'm sticking to my plan. 72, I get stopped. Especially if we close this candle like this on the 5-minute. No mames. No mames. Higher selling and then an aggressive wick to the downside and another lower high. That's the definition of no mames. That's peak no mames. Yeah. Well, not peak, but it's up there. When you're talking. All right, that's a little sign of hope, maybe. $89.
Actually, I really like it to the upside right now.
My hard stops are in. Yep, my hard stops are in. If I get stopped at 72, I get stopped. If we hit all-time high, well, it would be all-time high, but high day, all-time high, then we'll be sitting all right. If we break 500, guys, I'm going to take an early trim if we get a pop-up above 500. No trims before that. We're up about 10 points right now. We're up near 500, guys. If you guys, it's up about 10 points, give or take. Not much, but if you guys want to manage, feel free to. My plan stays the same. What's this say here to... I am going to move my stops up, though, to 80. I don't like how this price action's looking. I'm going to take a few contracts off here at 98, guys, just to be safe. I'm going to de-risk a little bit right here. See if we can get this pop above 500. I did take a bit off here, close to 1-to-1. My hard stops are now at 80. I'd like to see high a day out of this, but 500, this is the trim area I like, guys, just as a safety trim. I'd like to see high a day. I'd like to see 510 plus, but I think it's going to be kind of tough for us to crack this 500. So I took a bit off. My hard stops are still at 80. If we end up flushing back down, I may just stop it at break even. Yep, I am in longs. I'd like to see high a day. I'm going to move my stops up to break even, guys, below this previous 5-minute low here on the new contracts at, I guess, technically a point below break even, to 88. Stops are moved up to break even, everybody. I'd like to see us continue up. We're going to guarantee this is a green trade, though. If it gets stopped out, it'll be small. I'd like to see us continue trending up. I'd like to see us get high a day out of this and more, but I don't like trading all-time highs, so. Again, I have trimmed up here, everybody. Contract rollover. Come on, push us up to high a day. Give us high a day. Guys, on the new contracts, on the Z5s, it doesn't matter what contracts you're trading. The longs are printing on both. Well, not printing, but they're going up on both. Ugh. Woo! Come on, give us high a day. Come on. Give a pump above 500. Come on. Give us high a day, baby. Come on now. Use it as a magnet. Come on. Come on, give us high a day. Get my stop start break even, everybody. Risk-free trade. Look at the screen share, guys. What?
You can take the shots. Are you okay?
Yeah, take it. I'm chilling. My stops are break even. I'm chilling. I got my trim off. Paid for coffee this morning. We're chilling. Not a big trade by any means, or even a medium trade, but I'll take it for a Monday. Not red, so followed my plan. They got to ask Daddy for permission to take trades. I'm kidding. He just was trying to be respectful of my position. But I'm chilling. My stops are at break even. I'm vibing. We gonna reverse this, Greg, and take some shorts?
Oh, you're watching.
I'm out of this trade, guys. I'm out of this trade. I'm out of this trade. I'm out of the trade, guys. We'll take our coffee money, baby. We'll take it. We will take our coffee money. We'll take our coffee money. There we go.
No, I haven't had training shots. I haven't had.
Don't. No, we don't want that. It's actually not looking bad for a reversal, though. With that volume. No more magnet. Greg's wants the shorts. We'll take it. Oh, as a reminder, guys, Tradeify is 35% off using code Jdun, and they just added Project X, which is pretty sick for you guys, giving you guys a new platform to trade on with Tradeify. Make sure you guys use code Jdun for the best possible discounts always. Best possible discounts always, baby. I'll go ahead and put that link in here for y'all as well. And make sure you guys have all registered for the free 3-day masterclass, guys. It's on October 6th, so secure your ticket right now. Save your seat. And I can't wait to teach you guys everything you need to know in an organized fashion on October 6th. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No, I've been stopped out. I've been stopped out, my friend. Stopped out at break even. So it's looking like I should have held. It's looking nice. Well, I wouldn't say nice, but it's looking all right. It was a winning trade, though it was small. Though it was small, it was a winning trade. I'd be careful shorting at high day. You want to make sure you have confluence. Make sure you have some sort of confirmation. If I wanted any short right now, I'd go short right now, and I'd keep stops above high a day if I was going to. I'm not going short, just for the record, but if I was, sub micro Dan. No, I've been stopped out at break even. Yeah, which was lower than we are now. Well, it's looking like I should have held though.
Technically, loans are not invalid until below
It doesn't look horrible.
2.8. 2.8 Jdun.
You know, I think if you're looking for shorts, you could try them. You just got to take risk. Your risk is high a day. I'm not personally taking it, but
I like one that hate shorts today. I don't like the shorts at all.
as a reminder, guys, we got FOMC this week. We have FOMC, a huge meeting this week. So make sure you guys trade smart, trade safe going into that. It looks like we shouldn't have stopped out. It's gonna now it wants to blast above this 500 watch. Watch. Yep. These longs look like they want to blast. Went and grabbed my stops. Break even. Now they're gonna rip. Watch. Gene, you want to come say hi to everybody? You want to come say hi to Team Bull?
Oh. They come over early,
Hello. What's up, man? How's it going?
Good.
Take any trades?
Oh yeah. I'm up decent this morning.
That's good. That's good.
What about you?
Yeah, I took that short on NQ. That when we first started to trend down a little bit, I caught like 20 points. So 400, one contract, 3 accounts. So 1,200 basically. Sorry, I'm not talking. Just trying to set something up on my phone. Yeah, let's go Astros. We don't like any of their hockey teams, football teams, or basketball teams, so just Astros. That's it. That's all I like from Texas. I like the Yankees too. I'm a Broncos fan though. Broncos and Ravens. For football, for basketball, just Nuggets. For college, the Huskers, the Buffs, and I like Georgia too. Grizzly, you see that game? Georgia and Tennessee.
How's that wedding, man, during the first quarter?
I was going
On my phone during the wedding.
I was going for Georgia. That's who I was going for Georgia. That's who I play with when I play college football.
Oh, good. I'm going to prevent you from keep going now, though.
Wow.
They done gave him out of here.
Don't get me wrong, I do like Tennessee though. That's where Peyton Manning played. Peyton Manning's dope.
I'm mad. I'm just disappointed.
Very. It was close. There's Yup. There's been a lot of games. I think there was like 2 games yesterday where field goals were the winners. Like that's why the Broncos lost yesterday. Yup.
That is it for me today, T-Wolf.
You out of here?
Yeah, I'll be back in the morning, so if we can make another back together.
All right, Grizz. Have a good day, man.
We'll see you.
Peace.
Peace, Greg.
Yeah, guys. Take care.
What up, Christopher? Christopher is actually a good friend of mine. Very good trader. Bro's been killing it lately. What do you guys think we do from here? Climb. I don't know what we could do from here.
I'm getting ready with the shots. I don't forget. I'm getting ready. Watching play session.
Hmm. Should I full port it?
Don't tell me we got high today. Ain't no way, bro.
They said they like me more than you.
Yeah.
Yep. Grizzly actually told me bye today.
Damn, he didn't Irish goodbye?
No.
You hurt Grizzly's feelings? Damn, we really ended up going high a day, huh? Well, on the bright side, caught our winner today. It wasn't big, but it was something. We'll take green on a Monday. We'll take it. We'll take green on a Monday, even though I went out, took a stop, and then moved. We'll take it, baby. As a reminder, guys, make sure if you haven't already, you guys get registered for my 3-day free masterclass. If you're on TikTok, there's 2 ways you can get in. You can click on my TikTok profile, and it's in the link in my bio. Or you can DM me on Instagram at Jdun Trades. I'll put it on the screen as well. All right, I put it on the screen as well, guys. You can DM me there and mention that you're from the live stream and you'd like access to the 3-day free masterclass. If you're on YouTube, it's pinned there. Don't. NQZ5. Just one trade for me on the day, fellas. Okay, Greg, I see you. Don't. If you guys didn't hear, Greg's in the shorts. I'm going to stick around for a bit longer. I don't know, Amy. You told me not to take the longs, and they ended up printing. Can I trust you on the shorts? Can I trust you? I hope you're right, because that means Greg's right too, and that's good for everybody. If you didn't get a confirmation email, it's okay as long as you put in the right email address, guys, for the 3-day free masterclass. As a reminder, guys, Tradeify just added Project X as well. So you can trade with Tradeify or Project X with Tradeify. They offer straight to funded and they offer evals. Use code Jdun for 35% off all accounts. Tradeify.co. I'll put the link in the chat as well for YouTube. Or if you're in TikTok, you can copy and paste this on your phone. Lib. There's that move down for you, Greg. Okay. Are you still going to trade while teaching at your class? Of course. Of course. It's going to be in the evenings. Looking good so far, Greg. Do with it. It hasn't updated on TradingView yet. Yeah, it hasn't updated on TradingView yet. My contracts haven't rolled. The class is for everybody. Yep, the class is for everybody, guys. As a reminder, Team Bowl, make sure you guys are signed up for my free 3-day masterclass on October 6th. Make sure all y'all are signed up. I've been putting it in the announcements every day. I'm going to put it in again. Don't. That was a Drake candle. For real. Don't. Yep, I'm not sure if we're going to do a recording yet, but if you'd like a chance to get the recording, I'm sure we will in one fashion or another. Make sure you signed up. Tesla's price action was kind of weak today. Ooh. I expected more out of Tezzy, baby. Yep, make sure you guys are all signed up in the announcements tab, Team Bull. 3 days. It's going to be a game changer. It's going to be a game changer. We also have FOMC this week, guys, so I'm likely for sure going to be more cautious tomorrow as well. Don't know. FOMC is on Wednesday. Nice. See a lot of y'all signing up. That's awesome. Ooh, 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 ooh. FOMC is on Wednesday. Definitely no more trades for me today. Likely no more trades for me today.
We're back to green. If you are still on this trade, I hope you guys can. What's up? I have time to train. This could be my second chance.
I still can't believe the Broncos game yesterday. That was foul. I was so excited, Gene. I'm like, they missed it. Screwed.
What are you watching?
Oh, yeah. Our defense is amazing. Our offense is just needs some work. Our defense keeps us in games. They're going to be a force. As a reminder, guys, Apex is still 80% off using code Jdun. You can buy up to 20 accounts, trade up to 20 accounts at a time. It is the most scalable firm, and if you follow the rules, you get paid out. Yes. I appreciate y'all supporting me using code Jdun, and I will always do my best to support you right back. Every single day on these live streams, baby. That's what we do. There ain't no one doing this. Not like we do it. There's other live streamers. Not like we do it, though. Not like we do it, baby. Lots of green. Lots of green and lots of payouts coming in lately. Let's just make sure, is everyone in these live streams signed up for the 3-day masterclass? Let me know in the chat. It is free. It is 3 days long, and it will transform your trading. Is everyone signed up? Confirm in the chat that you're signed up. Yup, Roman is. B-Dub's ready to win. Nikita is. Denise is. Bees is. Marquise is. How do you sign up? Nick, it's in the pinned comment. It says 3-day masterclass at the top. I'll post the link again, just in case you can't look upwards. I got you, bro. Yep, lots of people signed up. There you go. If you're not, there's a sign-up link. Get signed up. It's free and valuable. I've never done a 3-day event before. I've done 1 days, and they're very valuable. Never 3. Never 3. Ooh, wow. Tesla's going crazy. Tesla's starting to pick up. Let's see if it can break above. See if it can hold above this 20 for 23.
Come on.
Tesla's thinking about it. It's thinking about it. NQ's thinking about it too. Yep, it's in my Instagram bio as well. It's in my Instagram bio as well.
What are we doing? Stop here, guys. Stop loss number here.
Hey, Greg, I see you.
Stop loss number here. Manage to trade play whenever the price action today is really crazy, so be careful.
Nice job, Greg. Very nice job. Very nice job. Green eyes in the shorts too. I like it.
Keep going, keep going, keep going down, keep going.
Let's go. We're hitting chest today, Gene.
Yes.
We're building our boobies up.
No, we're doing legs.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. I see a lot of y'all signing up. Capitola signed up October 6th. Clear the calendar, October 6th, 7th, and 8th. Greg's still in his shorts as well. Let's go.
I need some more here, guys. Stop loss number here.
Let it burn, let it burn. Oh, nice job, Greg. That was money bags. That was money bags. I'm going to hit the absolute nastiest chest day today. I don't know about you. Nice job, Mr. Greg. My long term is feasting off this Tesla. Feasting. I'm talking feasting. I got 5 more minutes. I'm getting off in 5 minutes. In 5 minutes, I'm getting off the live stream, everybody. We kick it for about 2 hours every morning, and then we mob. Nice job, Greg. Hey, not anything big today, but what do I have planned today? Not a whole lot, bro. Just vibing. No trades for me right now. I'm just ready to go hit this workout, baby. Sun's out, guns out. Sun's out, guns out. Oh. Gonna get Gene up in the gym too. Boy's getting ripped. Hey, just letting y'all know, we are over 2 weeks with the no check engine lights in the Revuelto. Just saying. No check engine lights in 2 weeks. The whip's doing much better. Mr. David did his job. Knock on wood. Mr. David did his job. You out of here? Yo, the link's in my link in my bio, Lillian. Or you can go to my Instagram, JDUN Trades. It's on the screen. $705 accounts. See you, bro. Bye, Greg. All right, we got 2 more minutes and I'm getting off. In 2 minutes, I'm mobbing off the stream, everybody. How was everyone's day in Team Bull? How'd you guys fare today? Talk to me, live chat. How'd y'all do? Yep, mostly low volume on all the green candles. It's likely gonna, if we get a breakdown, it could be aggressive, but otherwise we're just gonna slow trend up, and that's not something I'm gonna trade. Plus 600, Tyler, nice. Dead, no trades. All right, Team Bull. We've been here 2 hours. I'm about to mob off. A few winners today for the squad. Trade smart, trade safe, stay focused. And let's keep moving, fam. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning, all right? Make sure you guys are all signed up for the 3-day free masterclass on October 6th. The link is in the announcements tab. Here, I'll post it in chat one more time. Make sure y'all are all signed up. It's going to be a game changer. Adios, guys. God bless. Thank you guys for all being a part of the squad. Peace. All right, TikTok, YouTube, I'm out of here. As a reminder, if you want access to the 3-day free masterclass, send me a message on Instagram at Jdun Trades. Mention that you're from the live stream and you'd like access to the 3-day free masterclass. You can DM me right now, and I'm going to spend at least an hour or two doing DMs today. Yep, DM me on Instagram. Thank you guys for all being here. Sorry I couldn't catch a bigger winner, but we still caught something. Team had a few wins. Appreciate all y'all making this a part of your daily routine. I'll see you guys tomorrow at Market Open. Market Open, 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time. I'll see you guys in the live stream. God bless. Trade smart. Trade safe. See you guys tomorrow. Peace.